Greetings everyone from Islamabad International Airport, the capital city of Pakistan. Thank you for joining today with another journey with us. We entered through pedestrian main gate after showing our valid airline ticket, CNSE and passport, security procedures, designated departure area. Today we have a flight from Islamabad to Dubai, back to home, and we will be flying our favorite airline Emirates. New airport is gleaming, everyone is helpful as we wait in the lounge. Although it is far from city but offer easy access for adjoining area by motorway. Compared to previous old airport, this airport is huge with all international standard facilities. It is capable to handle more passenger than aircraft. Furthermore, it is modern and state of art in every aspect. It was a project of Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority. Check-in counter open for our VR airline. Check-in was seamless and easy. I give it a 5 stars. If you're carrying a heavy extra baggage, then you can avail passenger porter service. Porter can take your luggage from the entrance of the terminal building to the airline check-in desk for departing passengers. Departing passenger can find porter in the concourse area. And security advise always to hire porter wearing the official uniform and pay them only once. Now we are moving towards passport immigration desk. Passenger must prepare their travel document and line up at the immigration desk. Once the custom and immigration clearance formalities are over, the passenger will not allow to leave the lounge. After confirm our flight information on screen, we go down to check proper boarding gate once. Our flight boarding time 3 am, so there is still around 2 hours left. Until then, we can explore little more Islamabad International Airport. Several shopping spots are here for shopping in airport. There are numerous restaurants, cafes and duty-free area also. You can pass your time by using free public Wi-Fi on airport. Only you need to do register your mobile number to the counter and use free Wi-Fi. Here my kids find children play area.
ये चलाओ रॉकिंग हॉर्स
The airline announced frequently boarding announcements. Experience at Islamabad International Airport is pretty good. It is modern from every aspect: terminal signs, direction, cleanliness, food and beverages, and cooperative ground staff.
If you get hit by the ball, you lose. Korea, if you get hit by the ball, you lose.
For passing time, I give them small artwork. Anyways, if you have enjoyed this video, just subscribe and like our channel. jet set with us on this unforgettable travel experience from Pakistan to Dubai. It's time to say goodbye to Pakistan. Had a good time with family members. Definitely come again soon next year.
Hi, how are you? Oh, you're flying on this airplane today.
Emirates Airline is the best airline in the world. I frequently travel with Emirates Airline. They not just give you a comfortable atmosphere and cabin, but for families, especially with kids, anything they can provide for calm travel. It's just a top-notch, generous service, especially for the kids. We are about to take off from runway, hope to return soon to Pakistan. As far as food concerned, the catering is in league above most other airlines with food that actually just fresh and relatively healthy. Our aircraft A380 landed Alhamdulillah Dubai. Enjoy the early morning landing in Dubai airport.
Cabin crew, prepare to approach check.
As we leave the jet bridge, all arriving transitioning passenger will initially follow the same pathway we have to follow. Connection up front, there will be the more counter to assist with any connection up ahead. The area where arriving and transitioning passenger will split. Transitioning passengers will turn left to security check, while arriving passenger will continue straight. Dubai International Airport is an incredible airport and, according to some, the world's busiest airport by international passenger traffic. For passenger convenience on entering and exiting, they allocate train with different lanes. Here we reach at Immigration and Passport Control Desk. In Dubai, they always prefer families come first in line. A great perk with children is that we are allowed to go first in line. We are going through smart gates. Only Emirates ID holder can use smart gates and other to use the manual control way. After checking your personal screening, collect your hand carry and everything else from the other side of the X-ray machine. Once you pass immigration, you will reach the baggage reclaim area. Many bags look alike, so please match claim check with strap check number. Hope you all find this video useful for your next trip. I hope you enjoy this journey. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, like our video. That's the best way to support me. Bye bye.